And now let's look at Coursebook 9.7, expanding the product of two linear expressions. So let's look at the first one here on how do we expand a bracket. So the simple version will be one term and then one expression inside. So normally what you do is you just take this, multiply. So if you think about it, it looks like this. It's actually, let's say this is the number one, this is A, this is B. So your answer here will look something like this. 1 times A, and then 1 times B. So in other words, it looks like this. 1A, 1B. So 1 times A. Okay, 1 times A is X times X. It's just X times X is X times positive 3. So same thing here. So X times X is X squared. X times positive 3 is positive 3. So this is the answer after we expand it. So let's say if we have another example, which is 3. X plus 3. Same thing we're going to do. Well, not say 1, just put 2. A, B. So it's the same thing here. 2 times A, 2 times B. 2A, 2B. So we're going to rewrite it here. 3 times X, 3 times positive 3. Here we're going to get 3x plus 9. Right. So this one is a simple version. But what if we join both together? It looks something like this. X plus 3, X plus 3. So you can actually see this one and this one, we just add them together. So X is supposed to work this way. Okay, so I think if I label them as 1, 2, A, B, my answer will look like this. 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. So let's try to do it. 1A is X times X, X squared. 1 times B, it is 3X. 3 times X, 3X. 3 times 3, 9. Finally, we get our answer X squared plus 6X plus 9. Okay, if you want to do this method, you can. But let's look at the examples here. Let's look at the first one. X plus 2, X plus 3. So you can use your, well, call this the butterfly. So the first term multiply the first, multiply the second, and second term multiply the first, multiply the second. You can do this method as well. It's the same thing actually. So we're going to get X squared plus 3X plus 2X plus 6. X squared plus 5X plus 6. This is the answer. Okay, we can also use something else that we call FOIL. It means first, outer, inner, plus. So the first will be the first and the first. So X times X. Outer will be the outside, X times 3. Inner will be the inside, 2 times X. Last will be the last one and the last one, 2 times 3. So we can just write it X squared, 3X, 2X, 6. Just join everything together. This will be 5X. So you can just use up down. Since they are common terms, you can add them together. X squared plus 5X plus 6. So this is the FOIL method if you want to do it. Or you can use your 1A, 1B 2a, 2b as well. So let's look at question B. I find the easiest one is the 1a, 1b, 2a, 2b method. So let's try 1, 2, a, b. So 1a, 1b, 2a, 2b. Y times y squared. I'm just going to write it again. Y times y squared. 1b, y times -4 and -4y. 2a, 8 times y, 8y. 2b, 8 times -4, -32. So you can do the same thing like how the 4 method is exactly like the 4 method. So this one, we can just join them together. -4y plus 8y. So it looks like this, -4y plus 8y. We actually get 4y here. So then I just bring in same thing, bring in same thing, read top down. Our answer will look like this. Y squared plus 4y minus 32. Final answer. And that's it. You're good to go. So just make sure that you remember to bring in the positive or negative. Because sometimes if it is a negative, you will get a positive answer. Okay.